Have you ever wondered what would happen if you mix cement, paint, and wood glue together? At first, it sounds like a terrible idea. Cement is rough and hard, paint creates a smooth coating, and wood glue is designed to bond materials together. But today, I'm going to combine all three and test what this unusual mixture can really do. And the final result might surprise you. Just by applying this simple trick, you may never need to spend money on a new battery again. Start with a small cup and pour a portion of wood glue inside. Wood glue works as a binder that helps the cement attach to surfaces more effectively. Add a little water into the cup so the glue becomes thinner and easier to mix with the other ingredients. Instead of stirring by hand, a simple mixer can be made in seconds. Take 3 plastic zip ties and wrap them tightly around the end of a small wooden stick. Tighten the zip ties so the locking heads sit evenly around the stick. Trim the excess plastic ends so the tool remains compact. This small bundle of plastic heads will work like a tiny mixing paddle. Insert the wooden stick into a handheld drill. Now, the drill becomes a small power mixer. Place the mixer into the glue solution and run the drill slowly. The mixture spins smoothly and becomes evenly blended within a few seconds. Next, add a portion of cement powder into the cup. Keep the drill moving slowly so the cement mixes evenly into the glue solution. The mixture becomes thicker and begins to look like a smooth paste. To give the coating a stronger visual appearance, pour a small amount of red paint into the mixture. Run the drill again and watch the color spread through the cement paste. Now the mixture begins to look more like a colored coating, rather than plain cement. Add a small amount of pigment color into the cup to deepen the shade. Run the drill again and allow the mixer to blend everything evenly. The result becomes a smooth red cement coating that can be brushed onto surfaces. Now prepare a cement board for the first test. Use masking tape to divide the board into 2 equal halves. One side will receive the coating and the other side will remain untreated, so the difference can be observed clearly. Dip a small brush into the mixture and spread it evenly across one half of the cement board. Brush slowly and allow the coating to fill the tiny pores in the surface. The mixture spreads smoothly and forms a thin protective layer. Next, create another test directly on a wall surface. Place a square piece of tape on the wall to define the test area. Then apply the mixture evenly inside that square using the same brush. The coating spreads well across the wall and forms a smooth colored layer. If you've tried something similar or have your own useful technique, post it in the comments so others can use it too. Allow the mixture to dry for a short period of time. Once the surface becomes firm, begin testing how it reacts with water. Spray water across the cement board. Observe the untreated half of the board first. The surface quickly absorbs water, and the color of the board darkens as moisture enters the pores. Now spray water on the coated side. The difference appears immediately. The water stays on the surface and does not soak into the cement board. The coating prevents the water from penetrating, and the color remains stable without fading. Repeat the same water test on the wall section. Spray water across the painted square and watch the behavior of the droplets. The water spreads lightly, but does not soak into the wall surface. This indicates the mixture forms a protective barrier that helps resist moisture. With the first experiment complete, move to a second test that uses another interesting material, Styrofoam. Place a small amount of thinner into a cup and slowly add pieces of Styrofoam into the liquid. The foam begins to dissolve and shrink as it reacts with the thinner. Continue adding small pieces until the foam melts completely into the liquid. Now add a portion of cement into this mixture and stir using a wooden stick. The combination of dissolved Styrofoam and cement forms a strong composite material that can rebuild tool handles. The result becomes a thick paste that combines dissolved plastic and cement together. This mixture forms a dense composite that can be molded into different shapes to demonstrate this property. Take a wood chisel that has lost its handle. The metal blade is still sharp, but without a handle, it cannot be used safely. Take the cardboard core from a toilet paper roll and stand it upright on a wooden board. Secure it in place with a small amount of hot glue so the tube becomes a simple mold. Pour the cement and Styrofoam mixture into the tube slowly. Instead of discarding broken tools or unused materials, these simple mixtures can give them a second life. Tap the sides gently so the mixture settles evenly and fills the entire space. Insert the metal chisel blade into the center of the mixture. Make sure the blade sits straight inside the tube. After about 24 hours, the cement composite becomes solid. Once the material is fully cured, peel away the cardboard tube from the outside. The remaining shape reveals a newly formed handle surrounding the metal chisel. Use sandpaper to smooth the surface of the handle. Begin shaping the grip so it becomes comfortable to hold in the hand. Wipe away any remaining dust with a cloth. For additional durability, apply the earlier cement and paint mixture as a coating across the handle. Brush the mixture evenly and allow it to dry. This layer strengthens the surface while also adding color and protection. Small experiments like these often reveal practical solutions, using materials that are already available in most workshops. After drying, the handle feels firm and balanced. Grip the chisel and test it on a piece of wood. The tool now works smoothly, and the new handle holds securely without movement. If this experiment inspired you, try mixing these materials in your own workshop and explore what surfaces or tools you can repair with them. Share your ideas and results in the comments so others can learn from your experience. And subscribe for more practical DIY workshop solutions that turn simple materials into useful repairs.